everyone, welcome back. Every business gives discounts, right? But smart business do it without killing the profits. Do you know how it actually does? Yeah, the problem isn't discounts. The problem is uncontrolled discounts inside your business. How we can simply control it? In this video, I'll show you how smart business offers discounts inside Odoo 19 without killing their profit, which means with the visibility, control, and zero guesswork. So for that, let's head over to the sales module. And once you are there, we need to enable one configure option inside the sales module. So let's head over to the configuration settings. And there you can find the discounts under the pricing. So it is already enabled, which means grant discount on sale order lines. Apply a manual discounts on the sale order lines or display discounts computed from the price list option to active the price list configuration. Okay. So here I'm doing with the discounts. So you can simply provide a discounts under the order line tab, and let me show you how we can simply control this using different methods. Okay. So it is already enabled. So if you're first to this order line for this particular feature, you need to enable this, and please do hit the save button. Okay. And let's head over to the orders and let's create a quotation. For that, just click on the new button, and here I'm going to specify with the customer, which is deco edit. Once I'm done with that, here I want to add the product. Okay. For adding the product under the order line tab, I'm going to provide some product, which is bacon burger. Let it be one quantity. Let's confirm it. So once I'm done with that, I want to add one more product, which is blueberry muffins. Okay. Let me add the quantity as 5. All right. Once I'm done with that, there you can find the amount, which is the total amount, and it is there you can find an option which is discount, and it is not applied any kind of discounts from here itself. Okay. And for giving the discounts without killing your profit, we have an option which is discount under the order line tab. There you can find it. It's a smart button, so just click on there and you will get a small wizard. Okay. Yeah, here it is, our wizard, which means what are the things that you can find from here itself. There we have the discounts and 3 options. Okay, that belongs to it. Which means you can simply provide a discount and you can use these 3 options, which means on all orders lines, global discount, fixed amount. So let's buy using the first one, which means on all order lines. So it's basically mentioned that the same discount percentage is applied to every product line in the sales order. So let's find out how it actually works. So let me provide a particular percentage. So let it be 5%. Once I'm applying that, you will get a 5% discount for each of the product, which means for bacon burger, there you will get a 5% of discount. And for blueberry muffins also, you will get the 5% of discounts. And there you can find the untaxed amount, the tax, which means the 50% included. And there we have the total as well. Okay. So there you can find all the details once you're providing the discount for all order line tabs. So let's remove this. And basically, this discount is best for the festive offers, customer-wide discounts, and bulk instant days. So you can simply use this discount method for that of examples. Okay. And here I'm going to give the next one, which means discount on the basis of global. Okay. So let me click on the option, which is global discount. So you need to provide a percentage of discount. So on total order discount, not line by line. So here you are going to provide a discount for all the product. What are the product that inside the order line tab? You are going to detect a percentage of discount for all the order amount. Okay. So here I'm going to provide it as a 10%. Once I'm done with that, there you will get another line for the discount, which means the global discount, which is 10%. And you can find how much is the unit price and what are the total amount that is deducted as 10% from the total amount of the product. Okay, so there you can find the untaxed amount, tax, which is included, and the total as well. Okay, so basically from the total amount, it is globally discounted 10%. So there you can find all such details, and here I'm going to delete this and let's add the third thing. Before that, the global discount like this, it is user or batch for finance approved discount, corporate clients, and audit friendly pricing. So if you want to help your accountant very easily, you can simply provide the global discount so they can easily identify what are the things and they are not get messed up. So now let's move to the next one, which is the fixed amount. So just click on the fixed amount. It is basically deducting a particular fixed value. Like instead of a percentage, you are reducing a fixed value from your online tab. For that, you can find instead of the percentage, it's providing a dollar value. Okay. So here I'm going to give it as 5. Before that, I want to set up one more thing. Let me remove the tax, which means 50% tax from each of the product. And here I'm going to provide that particular fixed amount discount. So let it be 5 and here I'm going to apply it. So once I've applied that, you can find it also giving you the third line, which means discount, and it's deducting a fixed value, which means $5 from the total amount of your product. Okay. So there you can find the taxed amount, which is which means $90.50, and there we have the total amount as well. Okay, so it's basically deducted the $5 from both of the product. Okay, and it is very useful for the coupons, cashback style offers, one-time goodwill discount as well. So you can simply use these three methods of discount option inside your Odoo 19 and inside your online tab very easily. So basically, using this discount option, you can simply provide a discount to your customer and happy them. Without killing your profit, and you can simply with a clever manner, you can simply provide all discounts. Okay, so that's how simply you can use the discounts under the online tab of the quotations or the product. So you can simply provide that. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. Have a nice day. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye bye.